to the rhythm, down to the rhythm.
I am a devil of my word.
Come on, boy, move that body.